Hello guys, I'm going to keep it short. My name is Carlo. I'm completely a new buy of FPV and drones. I come from helicopters. Uh, Everyone told me, look, if you're used to flying helicopters, then quads will be way easier. In a way, they were right. In another way, they were wrong because there is so much different from an helicopter and a quad in many ways. Now, why I'm making this video? I really wanted to get into FPV and quads, and this is why I sent an email to the big guru on the internet of quads. I'm talking about Joshua Bardwell, or Joshua Bardwell. I don't know how to spell it. He has been incredibly kind with me, and he redirected me to Armattan. Armattan was a company I knew about because he did a lot of research before actually going out there and trying to get into FPV. So I knew the company, but well, I didn't know it that well. I just knew that they made really good frames and really good pre-built quads and things like that. So I, I decided at some point that I wanted to give credit to Joshua, even because not giving credit to Joshua would be quite stupid. And I landed on the Armattan website. Okay, and I made a choice based on my preferences and based on what I wanted to do with the drone. And this is why I bought a Chameleon 5 inches orange velvet edition, the velvet motors. I could choose the Titan motors instead of the velvets, but again, I made a choice based on what I wanted. I really am. I was never about the into the racing or things like that. I played a lot with the RC cars, even with the fuel engines and helicopters, but speed was never really my thing. So what I wanted from a drone was incredible aerobatics and ease to use. So I bought it, and together with this, I bought lots of stuff from the Armattan website. Really, lots of stuff. I'm talking about 2 spare motors, one clockwise and the other one counterclockwise. I bought 2 ESCs just in case that I burn one or two of the ESCs. I bought the tools. I bought everything I needed to actually have this thing flying and then crashing and repairing it by myself. Okay, I spent really a lot of money. I think I spent something like $600 or $700 in total, and it was a huge expense for me. And then I had to buy the Far Sharks. I bought the HDOs, but from other websites and blah 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 blah. We are talking about Armattan here. So I bought a lot of stuff. The delivery was lightning fast. I live in Rome, actually, in Italy, and the drone arrived in 4 days, 5 days, something like that. It was lightning fast. As soon as I received the drone, I set up my Taranis X9D Plus, and I noticed that there was a problem with the telemetry. Well, first thing first, the receiver was an FR Sky RXSR, and of course it was FCC, it was not EU, but I have a EU transmitter, so I changed the firmware, I flashed the firmware, the European firmware on the receiver. After flashing that firmware, I did the first test, and the drone was flying really good in line of sight. The main problem was that I didn't receive any telemetry apart from the telemetry of the receiver itself, so RXBT and RSSI. I had really wanted to have full telemetry control. Why? Well, first because I bought the Chameleon with the TBS Unify HV, so I spent more to have some kind of telemetry in an easy way, and I was not getting it. The other reason was because I wanted to have the VFS control over my drone. I wanted to know at any time what was the condition of the battery on the drone while I was flying. Plus, I'm not a big, I repeat, I'm a noob, okay? Just bear in mind that I'm a noob about these kind of things. So I didn't want to actually fiddle with the VTX to change channel and bands and things like that. With telemetry, I can change all that stuff right on my X9D, on my Taranis. So since the telemetry was not really working, I wrote to Armattan. Okay, this is the main point of this video. I wrote to Armattan, and at that point, man, the emails, dozens of emails between me and them back and forth, and they have been incredibly supportive. Okay, this is what this video is about. It's not about my drone. It's about the company. It's about Armattan. I've talked with Wilson from Armattan, and once I think I also talked with Tim, but let's talk about Wilson, that guy. I mean, he could just say, man, the telemetry was working on our side when we assembled the quad. So if it is not working for you after you flash the firmware, then it's your problem, okay? But they didn't do that. They actually helped me step by step. And all of this procedure was so helpful for a noob like me. Why? Simply because I discovered so many things about this hobby just because of this problem. Okay, so many things that I would have never discovered if I didn't have any problem. But I discovered these things because of the support of Wilson and of the Armattan company. Okay, this is something I was not expecting at the beginning. I knew it was a good company, but that kind of commitment to a client, that's something I will remember. I will, trust me, I will remember that. And in the end, they didn't find the solution for me. I found the solution by myself. But who cares? Because without them, I would have never found the solution. That's the point. Their support, their emails, always kind, always constantly kind to me. I know that this should be a normal thing, but in a world like the world we are living on, this is not everyday job. These are Armattan's guys. This Wilson, really, I don't know what to say about you. Really, I really appreciate so much what you did for me. They went over to help me, and then I fixed the problem by myself thanks to them. That's the point. And imagine a noob like me. Okay, I don't have any friends that are into FPV and quadcopters, and I receive support from someone that is overseas on different hours, but I always received an email for 2 weeks. I received an email every day, sometimes 2 or 3 emails every day from them to help me with the problem. And this is what a fair and ethical company is, and this is what a fair and ethical company should be about, okay? This is good business. Not only for the money they are making, and they will make more because I will buy more products from them, but it's good business because it's made by good people, okay? They also told me, look, you fixed the problem by yourself, the problem was the receiver, so we are going to refund the $23 something for the RXSR, okay? And I told them, don't worry, okay? I don't need you to refund me $23. For me, $23 is nothing, luckily, okay? It's not a big price. I fixed the problem by myself with your help. I'm so happy that I can fly my drone with telemetry right now. And since they have been fair with me, I have been fair with them. And I didn't ask for a refund for the receiver, okay? And they were going to give me the refunds for the receiver even if 99% the problem was that I flashed the firmware, the EU firmware on the receiver, and then I screwed up something, but they wanted to give me the refund anyway, and I didn't accept it because what's fair is fair, and if someone is fair with me, then I'm going to be fair with them, okay? It's only $23, they can keep them. I can think of those $23 like something like a repayment for all the dedication they gave to me in those 2 weeks. Okay, I'm gonna buy a game from Armattan. This is what is really important at the end. Their ethics lead me to think, okay, first of all, they make amazing products. So if they were making crappy products, I would not be here saying this, but they make really good products. And this is why good products plus optimal ethics will make me buy a game from them. And not in 1 year from now, probably in 3 months from now. Okay? I had to make this video. Sorry for the length, it's already 12 minutes, but I had to do this. Maybe only 40 people will see this, maybe 1 million people will see this video. I don't know, okay? I'm not a famous YouTuber, and I don't aim to be one. But even if only 50 people will see this video, I really hope that I have been able to give you the message that I wanted to give you. Armattan is a really good company, not just because of the quality of the products, but because of the quality of the company. Okay? I flew this thing. This has nothing to do with what I just say for 12 minutes. But I flew this thing today for the first time with my Fat Shark HDOs. Okay? First time I put a goggle on my face, and I flew this for the first time not in line of sight, and I flew 4 batteries. Okay, I crashed a lot. I know this is normal. I crashed a lot. I replaced propellers on the field, and I had a lot of fun. At the end of the day, I came back home today with just really small repairs to do. I repaired the entire quad in less than 8 minutes probably, because the product is good. I crashed, you cannot even imagine how much I crashed. I didn't really crash high speeds, but one crash was from really high. I was probably 20-25 meters in the sky, and it just dropped because this is life and this is quadcopters flying probably, I don't know. I broke the pagoda antenna, broke here, but I just placed some hot glue in here and fuck it, it works perfectly anyway. I repaired everything that has to be repaired. I used compressed air to clean it. It's good as new. I mean, this thing is good. This thing is good. This company makes good products and is really good with its clients. So this is the morale at the end of the story of the fairy tale. Being a good person and having a good company gives you good clients. That's it. Really, that's it. They're incredible guys. So thanks for watching. I again want to thank so much Wilson from Armattan. I really want to thank Joshua Bardwell for making me land on the Armattan website. I will buy from them again. Like I don't even need to think about it, really. Thanks so much for watching, and when you buy something, I'm not talking only about quads, about anything. Just keep in mind that the quality of the company lots of times goes along with the quality of the products. Have a good day.